Come on. So, come on. Okay, come on. Just look at her. Like a sweet little angel kitten floating on a marshmallow cloud, dreaming of fluffy...
Merton, the plant. Come on, sorry.
Female in the boudoir. Kind of uncharted territory for me. Okay. Have you got your watch?
Yep.
And do you remember what to do?
Yep. At exactly 3 a.m., I make sure I'm close to the Sandman's detonator. You wake me up, and I bring that sucker back into this world.
So, sleep now.
One problem. Not tired.
Luckily, boring people into a deep sleep has always been a specialty of mine.
Right.
Well, turkey make Tommy sleepy?
Oh, I'm getting there.
You hardly touched my stuffing. And down will come Tommy, cradle and all. Bingo! And it was on that fateful transatlantic crossing in 1847 that Gideon Van Dingle met the bashful but comely Prudence Jameson McElroy.
It worked. Let's go, Merton.
Well, if it isn't the sleep disturber. Now the sandblaster is full, but I set aside a little sand for you, Tommy Dawkins. Get him!
Careful, guys. You don't know who you're dealing with.
It's the Wolfman! Get him!
Tommy!
Stay back, Lou. I don't want to hurt you. I guess I'm gonna...
And now, there's just you and me. And I am invincible! Sorry!
Come on, Merton, now.
Wait a minute. Gideon and Prudence were never lawfully married?
Lights out, Wolfman!
Oh! 3:05. Tommy, wake up! Tommy! Wake up! Tommy! Tommy, where's the detonator?
I got something even better. Where am I? Welcome to my world.
We did it!
Good night!
Lori, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Ew. What am I doing in your bed?
I'll try not to take that ooh personally. Hey, do you want to try some of my stuffing? I chopped the herbs myself.
I don't care if you baked your own breadcrumbs. It's late. I'm going home.
I did bake them. How about you, Tommy? Want to try some? Sweet dreams, buddy. Yeah. Tommy. Oh.
So everyone in town woke up after one heavy-duty sleep. And lucky for me, nobody remembered any of their dreams. Well, almost nobody.
I didn't mean any of those awful things I said about you. You complete me.
And the Sandman? Who knows when we'll be seeing him again? But I have a feeling time is on our side. And as for me, I got some well-deserved shut-eye. And by the way, my dreams have never been better.
Hey, Elway, I don't know what you're doing later on, but Pam Anderson's having a hot tub party if you're interested. All right.